In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw noise in ibis Paint. Now, the first thing you want to do, go to the bottom right and tap on Layers, and then from here, you want to go and create a new layer, so tap on the plus button on the left, and it's going to add a new layer. Now, put it up top over your current layer where you want to draw or add noise, and then tap out here. Then you want to go and apply over some fill color of like a light gray color or something like this, so I'll just do light gray. I'm going to tap over here and do like this gray over here, like that. And then you want to kind of fill the layer either with the bucket tool or with, of course, a huge brush. So I'm just going to use a huge brush like this. And then whenever you do that, tap at the bottom left where you can, of course, see your tools. And then here you want to tap on FX filter, so effects, okay, filters. Then you want to go at the bottom, swipe over and tap on artistic. And inside artistic, you can find noise. Tap on noise, and then it's up to you if you want to use color or grayscale. I'm going to just use grayscale, and then you can, of course, change the strength and amount as well. I'm going to leave it as default, and I'm going to tap on the check mark at the top right. Whenever you do that, you can tap the X button. You can then go to the bottom right into layers, and then you can just switch the blending mode over to something like overlay or similar. And as you can see, you've successfully drawn noise on your image. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.